Okay, hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for your coming in my presentation group. It's great to see you all. My name is Tiara Nurinda Savitri and I will introduce my team. First, Windy Lestari and Isna Silvanawa, Anita Wati, plus is Rizal Haikal Fikri. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about capitalism and corporate in Lampung. Anita Wati is welcome to present the result of the group discussion.
Okay, thank you, Tiara Norinda. Pilkada is proof that region is able to take care of itself without interference from the parties. As it is known that based on Law 23 of 2014, it is explained that local governments are given the authority to organize and manage household affairs. The election in Lampung is an arena for political, social, cultural, and economic battles in the province of Lampung, and the Lampung election in 2014 is suspect to have a correlation with the SGC. So what economic benefits did the SGC get in the Lampung gubernatorial election? Discussion. The study of capital in Indonesia was pioneered by Richard Robinson, who was one of the authors of the book The Rise of Capital in 1986. This book is very influential in the economic of Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia. This book has success is placing the position of Indonesian political economy as the main core in the study of contemporary Indonesian politics. This analysis focused on the authoritarianism of the new order during Suharto reign, where the modern bourgeoisie was not found in the traditional bourgeois Muslim. Besides, the traditional bourgeois Muslim are also known to often demand the protection of the Indonesian states at the beginning of the independence of the Indonesian nation. Next. In 1986, Ricard also did not see the state as an instrument of the capitalist class, but they did not rule out the possibility and this situation will occur in the future. As Ricard said in Edward A. Spinell 2013, one of the interesting statements regarding social and political change in the third world is whether the capitalist society directed in this country is historical model that will last a long time or will only stop for a moment. From some of the theories above, it can be seen that indirectly foreign and Chinese capitalists are exerting political power, and this certainly an opportunity for strong capitalists to become mediators for the growth of capitalism in Indonesia. According to Richard Robinson and Ahmad Khairuddin, that owned trading companies were nationalists then joined to from the Big Eight and obtained a monopoly on the import of 13 commodities, including 9 basic necessities of life. They control 17% of the import commodities in Indonesia. Meanwhile, BUMN, state-owned enterprise, managed to dominate the national economy. The states control the movement of domestic private capital through the Association of Private Entrepreneurs and Private Entrepreneurs Organization. The new order government also formed the National Consultative Body as the official channel for coordination between business people and their representative.
Sugar Group Company in the election of Lampung. Based on the result of the research World Baron current and pre-medieval 2040, there are a few things that need to be considered, especially with regard to SGC and the political area Lampung. Originally, Ridho Ricardo is a candidate for governor of new provincial Lampung, doesn't have a charisma and experience of the government. However, the blessing in the son of the director of the company group, Sugar or SGC. So when the occurrence of election, there a lot of financial support be used attract the attention of the public with a way shared to the sugar, class, health, and variety event, entertainment, and other who unlimitedly make blessing as elected governor. Rido managed with win 44% of the vote, and his performance is financed up to 500 billion or 43 million US dollar. Based on the financial support such be award that since 2011 the sugar company has had political influence. It's quite large. Even most the official of the government is elected from among the company of the sugar. In addition, note also that the SDG include in a number land conflict with other company that pose conflict to realm of law. One of them, the conflict with Salim, who a resident the village in which the land taken over by the SDG. Even more long, the much of the land taken over by the SDG in order to expand their plantation, and it spread outright around the community because access to the village they are also cut. Therefore, the election of Rido expect to be able to act more decisively in dealing with a parking such practice. However, C. Blessing, which was the son of the director of SDG, then a number of information also that the SDG only give the ability to clean and professionalize the institution of the state. Next. Conclusion, the study focused on the SDG as well as dynamic in local politics Lampung. The issue raises in the research the attitude of relevant SDG to be interviewed in question. The reason are too sensitive and confidential company. So this study examines several theory of capitalism that is present in the form of a corporation and the study of secondary literature of some of result of another study. This research also required further research involving respondent who greater and framework of quantitative so that you can see the perception of the community about involvement of SDG is local politics Lampung, especially the election of the governor and the area in December 2015 will other conclude that the relationship SPC in the election Lampung equal to 2040 it's very thick on the couple blessing and Bakti by moving the company money to buy some of electorate or vote buying combined with is fantastic. Okay, this presentation from my team. Thank you for your attention. So many presentation for our group. I would like to apologize if there is a mistake